Welcome. Today we are going to learn the basic functionalities of Microsoft Office Word. First of all, we will learn how to open Microsoft Office Word different way. So it may be on the screen. You can double click on this and it will open like this. Okay, and if it is not that there, then you can come to the Windows button and press on it, and it may be on the recent buttons that you have reached. And even if it is not there, then you can come to all programs and then go to Microsoft Office, and if you press on this, you may get it there. So today we will learn how the Microsoft Word Office basically work. Microsoft Office Word, firstly you have to know how to open a page. You may come on this and you may press on it, new page will come, new blog, that is different thing, new documents, blank documents you will create on this. Okay, new page will be created. And if you want to do by shortcut way, you can press Ctrl plus N. This is a shortcut for opening a new page. Okay, Ctrl plus N. If you press Ctrl plus N, new page will be created. I have just pressed it now and it has created new page. So now if you want to open a saved page, then you just press on this, and if you press on this, a new dialog box will come, and there you will find the page that you have saved, and you may click on this to open. If you click and press open, then it will be opened. Okay, I am not opening anything, I am going to show the basic things, so it's okay. Next, save the work that you have done. You want to save that, so this is the button. You can press and save the matter. If you save, you can give a file name and you just press on the save button, it will be saved. It has a shortcut way, that is Ctrl plus S. Ctrl plus S means save. Okay, and save as, you want to press on this because you want to save it as different name, then you just press on this. Okay, and first the work will be saved in different way, different name, and it will be saved in different name. So in that case, you can press the save as button. Print button, it is also very important. Print means if you want to print anything, then you can press in this and this dialog box will come, and after doing the setting, if you want to take the thing all pages, you want to the current page, then you can press from 1 to 2 like this. You can do this, and how many copies you want, you can press on this and press OK, it will be printed. So for one page, you just press on current page, it will be okay. You have to select the printer. Okay, what printer you are using to print the documents. Obviously the printer you have to select from here, then you can print it. Okay, and for printing you have a shortcut, that is Ctrl plus P. Ctrl plus P will bring the dialog box. I press it again. I want to show you that this dialog box has come by pressing the shortcut also. If you do not want to use the shortcut, then you go to this Microsoft Word Office button. Okay, these are very special work that you want to do. Today I'm not going to show because these are not the basic functions. Okay, the using blocks are different matters, so I will tell later one. Okay, insert is something, sorry, home we haven't still now discussed. So this is A button. A means you can grow font by degrees. So first of all you have to select the text that you are going to change. So then you can change the font from here. Okay, whatever font that you are going to use, whatever style that you are going to use, you can do. Okay, I suppose I want to use this one, then you can. Or if you want to just use Cambria, you can do with this. If you want to change the size, then press on these options. Okay, and if you want to change the size of the text by degrees, then you can press on these. Or if you want to lessen the size, then press on this smaller a. Okay, it will be lessen, and on the bigger it will make the text bigger. Okay, I hope you have understood this thing. So if you want to bold the text, it will be bold by pressing this. I want to stop this. Okay, italic, press this, it will be italic. Change the, see the change, italic. Okay, it is underline, Ctrl plus U also use. You can see the text is coming, Ctrl plus E. Okay, you can use this button. Or okay, italic for Ctrl plus I. A B, Ctrl plus B is a shortcut options you can use. Okay, if you want to underline, then press on this. You can see the text, it is a underline already. And if you want to change the underline style, then you press on this and take the style that you are going to take. Okay, you can change the style of underline by pressing on this arrow button and scroll down button. Okay, you can take different type of underlines. Okay, there are more options. You can change the color also by changing on this. If you want to take the red color, red line, then you can change, no problem. These are very easy. Okay, and I want to stop these and I'm going to show you something different. That is, you want to just cross through the line, then you can press this. Okay, the line is crossed. Okay, and if you are going to use some mathematical things, then you can use this. What is the use of this? I am telling you. Suppose you are writing P and 2. Okay, P1, and I want to select the 1. Okay, just a minute. Firstly, this also it is already working. Suppose I want to write P in this form, then it will be there. Suppose you are going to use A, and just let me say A plus B, text is complete, and 2. Okay, and you want to, suppose you're going to make it a whole square, then you can use these options. So this X, okay, subscript, and this is subscript. This part you can make for mathematical measures. These are used in mathematical options, so you can use this. So these are very important. If you want to change the color of anything, suppose this is the text, you can change the color by selecting, pressing on this button. This is red. If you want to take a different color, then you just press on the arrow button. You can change the color that you want to take. Okay, this will be changed in this way. This is very easy, and practice you can do, and practice will make you perfect. This is an alignment. If you want to keep the text in the center, then center alignment. This is the right side alignment. Press it on the right side. This is left side. Generally the default is left side, and if you want to keep it the both side equal, then keep it the justified. Now what justified will happen in the cases of justified, you can see this alignment means all the text will, the both side, the right side and right side will be equal. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you want to give a bullet here, then you can press, and you can take different kind of bullets. If you press on this, the bullets will come. Okay, and if you want to change a different type of bullets, then you can select that. If you want to numberize, then you can use this. After this, if you press the enter button, it will come next. If you press automatically, if you press the enter, then this number will automatically come. And if you want to give the numbering questions, then you can use this. Okay, after pressing this, you have to press tab button, then it will go to next, 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 like this. Okay, you understand these matters. These are very common things. Okay, and suppose there are two lines. I am just writing here two lines to show you. I press the button like this too. Okay, and this is the arrow button that you should use to make the scaling of the page. Okay, suppose the inner line gap is not what you want, then you can extend it or make it lesser. In this case I have made it lesser, and if you want to make it larger you can do by pressing here. Okay, so let it stay as it was. And one thing more, if you want to change the color of the text, by you can press on this A, then front color will be changed. And if you want to change the background color of the text, then you can press on this. Okay, there, and this will change the color of the background. However, the text is present, it will not select the entire line. So if you want to if you want to do the background color under the whole text, then you have to come on this and you have to press on this. So in that case what will happen, it will cover the entire text. Okay, you understand? And if you want to change the numbers from upside down, ascending or descending order, you can do this. Okay, and if you want to insert anything, then come on this. If you want to take a blank page, you can press on this, you can open a blank page. There is a blank page already in the middle. Okay, you want to break the page, then it will break the page over here. Okay, if you want to take a table, then how many tables do you want, you can take from here. Okay, you want to still change the style. When you insert the table, then it will automatically show you that you want to change the design of the table. Then it will already give you a design or layout buttons. Okay, these buttons will come, and there you can use for changing the design. If you do not want to change the design, you'll come to insert button again. Suppose you want to insert a picture somewhere. I want to show you in a new page. Okay, insert a picture, then you can press on this, a new picture will come. Okay, it will show you that this picture has come. It is very easy. And if you want to give the borders or different styles, you can press. Means when you insert something, then automatically a format option comes to you to change the formatting of the image. In insert button you can use some clip arts. Clip arts are visible at the corner, the different kind of clip arts that you are using. These are used in specially press activities. If you want to take any size, you can press on these. Okay, you can take the sizes, and if you want to change the color or format, then you can change from going to format. Okay, and these are tables, charts, all a link that you want to do. Now one important thing that we generally work, you should know, I want to tell you. Going to new page, suppose I am going to write this. Okay, select this option. Select is Ctrl plus A is used to select it, enlarging this. Okay, and I want to change the style of this by going to insert. There is word art. You can use the art like this and press OK. The art will be changed. You want to change the art like this, you can change this. If you want to edit the text, okay, changed. Okay, you want to make the text like this, you can do that. A different art you want to use, you can use the art by pressing on these options. Okay, these are very easy. So you have understood how the words arts are used. Quick box are used for specially providing box in maybe press works. In press, different kind of styles or book writing, these box are used. So you want to, these are special activities, not the simple. Generally these are not used. Okay, you want to view something, maybe you want to take grids, you can create the grids. You want to see the ruler, so in the corner you can see the ruler option is there in the ruler buttons scale. So you want to use ruler, then it is okay. If you do not want to use the ruler, then it will not be shown. If you want to take grids, you can take the grids. Okay, you want to use thumbnail, then thumbnail will come in the corner. Okay, and you want to say the documents, what documents, the documents will show you the how you were working. Okay, it is showing the draft. So you can see these things, and if you want to cross this, then cross it. Okay, you want to see one page, then you want to page. If you want to see two pages together, and this is what you can do by doing this thing. You can see two pages together. Okay, by 2 by 2 these pages will open. Okay, and in the corner you also see this is it will open like book. If you want to say open like book, then you can open, and if you want to do not want to do that, close it to come to again in this part. So you can see these things. Okay, you want to take new window, you can see, you can to see the pages side by side, you can see which page and which pages are side by side, you can see this. Okay, and layout are used for I want to show you okay, single page means suppose you have written the text and you want to take the page of landscape model, then you can use the landscape form also. But you want to change the margin, you can use the margin, narrow, moderate margin. Okay, you also can customize the margin. If you want to change the margin in your own way, then you can do it. Okay, the changes, it will change the margin. Okay, customize the margins. Orientations means you have known it is portrait or landscape. Size of the page, legal space, or what type of page you are going to use and print, then you can do it. And column means in a text maybe there are two columns. Suppose I want to show you again by pressing this. Okay, the text will be divided into, this is a single column. Okay, you want to divide this into two columns, then you just press on this and it will be divided into two columns. You can see this is the column and there is the first column and second column. Okay, so if you want to number line numbers, you can use this. If you want to give border, you can use the border, box border. You can press this, the border will come. So these are very common functions. If you want to change the color of the page, then you can change the color of the page by doing this thing. Okay, if you do not want to change, then they take the color, then you can press on this no option. And if you want to use the watermark, you can use the watermark by pressing on this. Also, you want to change the custom the watermarks. If you want to write your name, you can write your name here. Okay, you are in the place of text, you will change your name, write your name. Okay, then it will be shown. Whatever text you will write there, it will be shown over there. So still now we have learned the basic functionalities of Microsoft Office. So I hope you have learned very new things. If you done that, then you just please subscribe our channel. Thank you.